Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Zoho Mail with your own domain in 2026. This guide is perfect for beginners, so even if you have zero technical knowledge and you're doing this for the first time, you can easily follow along. By the end of this video, your professional email with your own domain will be ready. Let's get started. First, make sure you already own a domain name. You can buy a domain from any provider like GoDaddy, Namecheap, Google Domains, or others. Now, open your browser and go to Zoho Mail. Click on Sign Up and choose a Zoho Mail plan. Select the plan that suits you. For beginners and small businesses, the free or basic plan is usually enough. During sign-up, Zoho will ask how you want to set up your email. Choose the option that says you want to use your own domain. Now enter your domain name and continue. Zoho will now ask you to verify domain ownership. The most common and easiest method is DNS verification. Zoho will give you a TXT record or CNAME record. Now open a new tab and log in to your domain registrar. Go to the DNS management section of your domain. Add the TXT or CNAME record exactly as provided by Zoho. Save the changes. Now go back to Zoho Mail and click Verify. Domain verification may take a few minutes and sometimes up to a few hours. Once the domain is verified, you can start creating email accounts. Enter the username you want, like info@yourdomain.com or support@yourdomain.com, and create a password. Now it's time to configure mail delivery. Zoho will show you MX records. Go back to your domain DNS settings and delete any existing MX records. Add the Zoho MX records exactly as shown. Save the changes. This step ensures that emails are delivered to Zoho Mail. Next, Zoho may suggest adding SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records. These records improve email security and help prevent emails from going to spam. Add these records in your DNS settings as recommended by Zoho. Once all DNS records are added, your Zoho Mail with custom domain is almost ready. Now, log in to Zoho Mail using your new email address. Send a test email and receive one to confirm everything is working properly. If emails are delayed at first, don't worry. DNS changes can take some time to fully apply. And that's it. This is how you can set up Zoho Mail with your own domain in 2026, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel for more easy and beginner-friendly tutorials, and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.